Mind you, she slept all day, literally all day. She begged for some Culver's hamburger. That must have wore her out. Now she's back to doing what she likes to do. Sleeping.